What the business said, guys. I just want to show y'all a little quick update. I'm done. You see, I got my seats out, my carpet out, the siding out. I'm starting to put my heat shield down in the front. I'm finished with the front. I think I did pretty good. I did pretty good. I think I did. First time doing it, so you see I messed up there. But I ain't gonna hurt because the rug will be over anyway, so. I ordered some more. I gotta do the smeller part. Do all that up there. My side. And a piece saved for that side. Done pretty good with it. I'm getting the right way to my motor come now. They done shipped it off. I'm gonna start my motor and transmission this weekend when I come in from work. Lord, say the same. But this is where I'm at with it. So stay tuned, guys. Please like and subscribe. Comments. Any questions? I'm doing it on my own project.